Oh, this is Litre Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2013 Audi A3, stock number 6269. This ran from the 6th 2004 to the 4th 2013. It has a CRBC 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a CRBC 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 18-inch factory alloy American tyre, front bonnet no dents, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door 2 dents, left rear 18-inch factory alloy American tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy American tyre, right front 18-inch factory alloy American tyre, right front headlight, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke frontal steering wheel, instrument cluster,